Hi, everyone. Today we're breaking down how dogs actually understand human words, and it's fascinating. Dogs don't speak English. They read patterns, tone, emotion, and memory. See that? He doesn't know the word, he knows the outcome. Walk. Dogs pair sounds with experiences. Your voice becomes a prediction machine.
Scientifically, dogs memorize phonetic groups, tiny sound patterns linked to actions.
Sit. But tone matters more than vocabulary. Calm tone means guidance. Sharp tone means urgency. Body language is even stronger. Dogs evolved to watch movement long before sound. Good boy. Positive emotion reinforces the sound. Praise becomes a reward in their brain. Dogs also learn cause and effect words like wait, no, and okay. And eye contact is a language itself, and it's your dog checking for meaning.
Dogs listen penguin project.
Dogs can learn object names. Some know over 100.
Ball. They don't spell the word, they retrieve based on stored audio memory. Memory plus repetition plus reward equals vocabulary.
Dogs don't generalize words easily. They learn context.
When we remove visual cues, their comprehension drops. It proves sound is only one part. Sit. They decode tone first. Play tone means excitement. Low tone means caution. Emotional tone travels through your nervous system, and dogs read that instantly. That's emotional intelligence. They interpret feelings faster than words. Smell guides meaning too. Scent attached to words reinforces memory. Dogs watch micro expressions, eyebrows, eyes, breathing. Conflicting signals confuse them. Body language always wins. Your dog understands effective communication, emotions carried through sound. Sequences show higher cognition. Chaining commands means real comprehension. When dogs respond without food, that's cognitive understanding, not bribery. Dogs don't store grammar, they store associations. They also understand consequence words like or good. Clear communication reduces anxiety. Mixed signals create confusion. The smarter the bond, the faster the word learning. Love is the language bridge. If this helped you see your pup differently, like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed dog behavior.